If you need to extract data in AutoCAD, this quick tutorial will show you the easiest way to do it step by step. Whether you want to pull object properties, lengths, areas, layers, or export information into a table or Excel file, AutoCAD has a built-in tool that makes the process simple and efficient. This is a huge time saver for anyone working on drawings, schedules, quantities, or project documentation. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open your drawing in AutoCAD. Make sure the file you want to work with is already loaded because the extraction tool will pull information from the current drawing. Once your drawing is open, go to the command line and type Data Extraction, then press Enter on your keyboard. This launches AutoCAD's Data Extraction wizard. When the wizard opens, click Create a new data extraction. This tells AutoCAD that you want to start a fresh extraction setup instead of using an existing one. After that, click Next. AutoCAD will then ask you where you want to save the extraction file. Choose a location on your computer that's easy to find later, such as your desktop or a project folder, then continue. Next, you'll see the option to select your source drawing. Choose Current Drawing since you want AutoCAD to extract data from the file that is already open. Then click Next again. At this point, AutoCAD will scan the drawing and prepare the list of available objects that can be extracted. Now, you need to choose the objects you want to extract data from. You can select specific objects if you only want information from certain items, or you can choose all objects if you want AutoCAD to read everything in the drawing. This step is important because it controls exactly what data will appear in your final output. Once you've made your selection, click Next. After that, AutoCAD will show you the properties that can be extracted. Here, you can choose the data fields you want, such as layer, length, area, count, block name, or other object properties depending on what is in your drawing. Select only the properties that matter for your project so your output stays clean and useful. When you're finished selecting the fields, click Next once more. Now AutoCAD will ask you how you want the output formatted. You can create a table directly inside the drawing, or you can export the information to an external file such as Excel. If you want to work with the data outside AutoCAD, choosing an Excel-compatible output is usually the best option. If you want the data displayed in the drawing itself, choose Table Format, select the option that fits your workflow, then click Next. At the end of the wizard, review your settings one final time. If everything looks correct, click Finish. AutoCAD will then generate the data extraction based on the objects and properties you selected. Depending on the output format you chose, you'll either see a table inserted into the drawing or an external file created with the extracted information. And that's it. You've now learned how to extract data in AutoCAD using the data extraction command. This is an incredibly useful feature for creating schedules, counting objects, measuring lengths, and organizing drawing information much faster than doing it manually. If you want more AutoCAD tips and tutorials, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.